Okay, so let's see.
老师，
Hmm? Yes. Yes.
又有人出来了。
啊，有人出来了，谁出来了？Okay, children.
大家电脑怎么了？
Okay, today we are going to continue with our theme with the weather. 诶，
他们很吵，我就听不到。
很吵啊。
安，
Hello. Good morning. Okay, so let's see. We're going to review the a video first about the weather. Okay, 我们来复习一下啊。
Smile and learn. Hi there. I'm going to teach you what the weather is like. What do you see through the window? That's right. It's the sun. When we can see the sun, we say it's sunny. Sunny.
Sunny. Have you learned sunny?
What do you see now? Aw, there are clouds. When we see many clouds in the sky, we say it's cloudy. Cloudy.
body，
What do you see through the window? The rain. When there are clouds, droplets fall down and we say it's raining. Rainy.
raining，
Raining.
Can you see that through the window? Whoa, it's thunder and lightning. When we see thunder and see lightning coming out of the clouds, we say there's a storm. Stormy.
Stormy.
What do you see now? Whoa, there's snowfall. When it's cold and snowflakes fall from the sky, we say it's snowing.
Hey.
Snowy.
为什么？
What do you see through the window? Trees are moving and the wind is blowing heavily. When you see things moving or flying around in the street, that's because it's windy. Windy. Repeat after me. Sunny,
Sunny.
cloudy,
Cloudy.
rainy,
Rainy.
stormy,
Stormy.
snowy,
Snowy.
windy.
Windy.
Great job. Class dismissed. What's your favorite weather? See you around.
Do you want to keep on learning?
Okay. So let's see. Okay, children, can you recognize this word? Oh, you hear some noises. Who's making noises? Okay, this one. Who can read this word? This is where? Where? Weather. Children, always say weather.
weather,
Yes, weather. Weather. What is weather? We have. What is this?
sunny,
Sunny. Okay, sunny. Good, very good. And how about this one? Rainy.
raining,
Okay, this one?
cloudy,
And we have this
windy,
windy. Good job. Okay. Last time we have learned sunny and rainy, isn't it? We have already learned sunny and rainy. So today we are going to learn cloudy and Windy. Yes, we're going to learn these two weathers, cloudy and windy. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, I'm going to show you a video about clouds, how the clouds form. Okay,
What are clouds?
what are clouds?
Have you ever looked at clouds? Did they look like shapes? Have you ever wished you could float on a cloud? Clouds are fun to watch and think about. But what are they really? Did you know there are water drops in the air? These water drops are so
Sorry.
tiny that they float. If there are a lot, they collect in groups. When water collects in the air, it forms clouds. Clouds are made of water drops. If it's cold, they can be ice crystals. Some days, there are no clouds to be seen. On other days, there are a few. And sometimes there are a lot. It depends on how much water is in the air. Some clouds are seen way up high. Others are seen lower in the sky. Clouds often look white, but they can also look gray. Why is that? The water droplets or ice crystals in clouds scatter all the light from the sun. Light from the sun is all the colors of the rainbow. But when all the colors are put together, they make white. So clouds appear white in color. But what about the gray clouds? As the clouds gather more water vapor and ice crystals, it becomes thicker and denser. This results in scattering less light from the sun, so the clouds appear gray in color. Clouds are named for how they look. Have you seen clouds that look like big heaps? Those are called cumulus clouds. Cumulus means heap. Have you seen some that look like wisps of hair? Those are called cirrus clouds. Cirrus means hair. What about the layer of clouds that look like a blanket? This is a stratus cloud. The word means layer. Other cloud names are made of two different names put together. The word for rain cloud is nimbus. Sometimes you'll see a cumulus heap cloud that is a rain cloud, nimbus. This is called a cumulonimbus, cumulus and nimbus cloud. This means a piled up rain cloud. Another example is a nimbostratus cloud. This is a mix of nimbus, rain cloud, and stratus, layer cloud. It's a stretched out rain cloud. Did you know that clouds tell us about the weather? Cumulus clouds, the heaps, tell us it will be sunny. Cirrus clouds, the wisps of hair, tell us that the weather is about to change. If it's a sunny day, a storm may be on the way. Stratus clouds, the layers, tell us there will be fog or drizzle. Fog is a cloud that is close to the earth. Drizzle is light rain. The big, dark cumulonimbus clouds means bad weather. They bring snow, hail, and lightning. Do you want to know the weather? Look at the clouds. Now let's summarize what we've learned.
Okay, so children, do you know what's from the cloud?
有看过彩虹。
你有看过彩虹？那你知道云哦 ，clouds 啊，是用什么做成吗？Do you know what？
我知道在水滴的时候，突然
OK，
阳光，太近了，水多了就没有。这个彩虹，对不对？
the clouds are made of the water drops 哈。The water drops 是从小水滴那边变成的
是这样，你看我裙，
啊。
你看我裙哦。
OK，我看到会不会拉起来呀？You cannot pull up your dress 啊。Okay，let's see. Oh, children, what is this?
Cloudy.
Yes, cloudy. This is the cloudy. Okay. Okay.
Cloudy.
Cloudy. Yes, you can see the clouds. Oh, you can see the clouds on the sky. Yes, cloudy. Very good. And I want to ask you, when in cloudy day, you can see the cloud, or you can see the rainbow. Clouds. Yes, you can. You can find the clouds. Okay, not the rainbow. Rainbow it will be after the rainy day, huh? Maybe. Okay, then in cloudy day, you can see the sky is bright, or you can see the sky is dark. 你看到很光的天，还是很暗的天？
暗的天才会下雨。
Oh, okay, the dark sky. Okay, so we find the sky is dark and maybe it will rain. Okay, so this is cloudy day. And what will you do on a cloudy day? Children, you will collect or you will take in the clothes or you will dry the clothes outside.
Try the clothes.
You will dry the clothes in the cloudy day. When you see it's already cloudy day, the sky is dark.
No, I just do that thing.
You
我
will
是
take
左
in
边的。
左边的 okay. You will take in the clothes or you will dry the clothes. You will put out the clothes.
我喜欢右边的，所以和妈妈起来洗衣服。
一起来洗衣服，但是 cloudy day 哦 ，cloudy day 你会收衣服还是会晒衣服呢
我真的会晒衣服。
？cloudy day 哦，天暗暗了哦。
Cloudy day 啦，我说 sunny day 耶。
但是我们这边是讲 cloudy day 哦。如果呢 ，what if cloudy day? What will you do? You will take in all the clothes, or you will put out all the clothes. 你们会怎么样？
我不确定，应该是要收衣服啊。
要收衣服嘞。曾伟呢 ？What did you think？曾伟？哦，冰冰 ，you cannot draw. Okay. Don't draw anything on the
不
screen.
能说老师的 screen。
呀，等下很多画画的东西在这边。
老师，我不知道怎样才能。
OK， 好的，来，我 wrap 掉它，拼掉它。OK， 你不要画了啊。OK， done. So, Zhongwei, what will you do? You will put out the you will take in the clothes or you put out the clothes. 你会怎么样，曾伟？你会收衣服还是晒衣服，曾伟？今天的时候晒衣服啊 ，cloudy day 哦，很多云的时候哦，很多
收衣服啦。
哎呦，Marcus 呢 ？Marcus, what will you do? You will take in the clothes or you will put out the clothes?
收衣服。
Hello, Marcus. Hello, Marcus. Can you hear me? You take in the clothes or put out the clothes in a cloudy day? Marcus, where are you?
Đâu y
I cannot hear you, Marcus. Okay. Okay. So, Creeper, how about you, Creep? You will take in the clothes or you put out the clothes? Take in or must take in the clothes, okay?
Taking the
永祥呢？
clothes.
永祥你会收衣服还是晒衣服？
Rainy day. Cloudy day.
永祥
Clothes. Yay, yay, yay. Yay, yay, yay.
Abigail 永祥 how about you? You will take the clothes or put out the clothes in a cloudy day? 永祥你会收衣服还是晒衣服啊？阴天的时候收衣服哈 ，OK must take in the clothes beware of the rainy days if you not take in the clothes maybe after the rainy day your clothes will get wet 你的衣服会湿到完，如果下雨
我们都没有衣服了。
所以要收衣服啊。Okay, so okay, I will show you this. The clouds is very fun. Sometimes the clouds you can find many different shapes in the clouds. 我们可以看到很多形状的 clouds.
What do you see when you look to the sky? The clouds can look like anything if you try. What do you see when you look to the sky? Your imagination will let you fly. That one looks like a bumblebee, and that one looks like a palm tree. That one looks like a puppy to me, and that one looks like a boat on the sea. What do you see when you look to the sky? The clouds can look like anything if you try. What do you see when you look to the sky? Your imagination will let you fly. That cloud looks like a bowl of stew. That one looks like a horseshoe. That one looks like the number 2. And there's a cow jumping over the moon. What do you see when you look to the sky? The clouds can look like anything if you try. What do you see when you look to the sky? Your imagination will let you fly. That cloud looks like a cowboy hat. That one looks like a friendly cat. That one looks like a baseball bat. Look at that, it's an acrobat. What do you see when you look to the sky? The clouds can look like anything if you try. What do you see when you look to the sky? Your imagination will let you fly. That one looks like a smiling face. That one looks like a hare in a race. There's some flowers in a vase. There's a rocket ship blasting into space. What do you see when you look to the sky? The clouds can look like anything if you try. What do you see when you look to the sky? Your imagination will let you fly. There's a cloud playing a banjo, and that cloud is waving hello. That one's riding a buffalo, and that one slides on a rainbow. What do you see when you look to the sky? The clouds can look like anything if you try. What do you see when you look to the sky? Your imagination will let you fly. That cloud looks like a racing car, and that cloud looks like a shining star. That cloud looks like a cookie jar, and there's a bear playing a guitar. What do you see when you look to the sky? The clouds can look like anything if you try. What do you see when you look to the sky? Your imagination will let you fly. What do you see when you look to the sky? The clouds can look like anything if you try. What do you see when you look to the sky? Your imagination will let you fly.
Wow, children, have you ever looked into the sky? 你有看那个云的 shapes 吗？ Have you ever?
看到很多个的云的一样像 动物一样，还有像饼干的渣哎。
哦，像饼干 jar 的。Okay, so the clouds we have many different shapes of clouds So if you have time you can go outside and look at the sky and see the clouds, what shapes are there. Okay, then you have the sketchbook, isn't it? 你们有那本书，对不对？画画的那本书。You can draw the clouds you see in the sky. What shapes are there? 你们可以画出来，你们看到的云是什么 shapes 的？哦，如果你们可以，如果出去看到哇 ，the sky what shapes what the clouds look like？ 看到那个云好像什么东西，你们可以画出来哦。Okay, so let's see. Okay, and this is the windy. Yes, this is the windy day. Okay, so in a windy day, what you can see the thunder, or you can feel the wind. Wind, yes. Okay, very good. We can feel the wind blowing in a windy day. Okay, so how about in a windy day? Sorry, this is not thunder. Okay. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, this is the area. Okay, so okay, children, 看不到啊。Okay, children, in a windy day, you can feel the breeze, or you can. 等一下，那个，Okay. So children, in a windy day, you can feel the breeze. 你可以感受到那个风，微风 or you can feel hot. Which one you will feel in a windy day? You can feel the breeze. 可以感受到那个微风 or you can feel the hot in a windy day. What will you feel? Breeze or hot? Breeze. Sorry. Okay, you can feel the breeze. Okay, so never mind. You can feel the breeze, not the hot thing. Okay, so.
为什么刚才那是这么暗哦
Okay, children, do you know what we can do in a sunny day? Sorry, in a windy day, we can. Wow.
Like
You know what is this? We can fly the kite. Okay, we can fly the kite. Okay. Have you ever fly the kite? 你有玩过风筝吗？有放过风筝吗？没有啊。Next time, if you have chance, you can try. Okay, next time you can try to fly kites in the windy day. See, they can fly the kites or not. Almost there. You already fly the kite.
过了，
哇，你看风筝飞起来了咯。
可是
哇。
接下来掉了。
Okay, so we can fly the kite
爸爸
in
美，
a sunny day, in a
还
windy
灵美，现在爸爸你
Penny 有放过风筝吗？Penny
有完没？ 我有玩过风筝嘞，
你玩过？
有。你这样玩过风筝？
你有玩过风筝？很好啊，好玩吗？
我有一个风筝。
有一个风
我
筝啊。
没有，我有两个风筝。
哇，现在
去
是开始
新加坡有两个的。
有两个啦，哇，
后面还有蝴蝶的，
有蝴蝶的哦，
蝴蝶的还有 pony 的。
还有 pony 的啊，哇哦，哇，I see he flies the kites，哦
买两个的风筝呢。
，you can see the trees 啊，the trees waving 哦，你看那个树在摇着的，然后 the trees waving 哦。Because it's a windy day， 你看有风吹，看到那个树是在摇着的。Okay, fly the kites. Okay, next time you can try. Okay, you can try to fly the kites. Next time you see the windy day. Okay, you can fly the kites in a nice windy day lah. But sometimes 有时候if the strong windy day
是萌萌啊。
你们看一下有时候 the windy day is the winds blow very strong. Can we go out play?
No.
No, look at the windy day. The very strong wind blowing. Oh, can we go out play in this windy day?
No.
No, of course not. Wow, look at the roof. Wow. Come on. Oh, the roof is blowing. Okay, 吹大风的时候
Oh my god！
我不要去外面这样子的。
弄雪啊，弄
Oh, look at the roof. Okay, so not always the windy day we can go out play. Sometimes the wind is too strong, we can't go out play.
然后这里很大的风只是外面罢了，我的上面没有只是我的外面罢了。
所以大风的时候不要去玩。
我睡觉晚上以前下大雨的时候，全部东西跑在我的外面家了。
看那个车都会被吹走 ，look at the car。
它吹到我的家外面，已经倒完全部东西了。
你看那个车都被吹走。
当下是明天就叫那个来帮我撵回去。所以我的家都一样子了。
Is it danger? Is this dangerous?
等下我们飞走了。
对呀，很危险，对不对？
等下我会飞走喽。
对呀，会飞走。不是飞走不了是等下它吹到了东西，它会压到我们。等下你看它吹的东西飞起来打到我们或者是压到我们。So it's very dangerous 很危险所以千万不要。
打到我满头流水。
对，会很所以吹大风的时候 ，it's better to stay at home if the wind is too strong 吹大风的时候是最好是留在家里面。哇，你看它的风吹到，这是龙卷风，这是 tornado。你看吹到，看这是 tornado， 这是龙卷风。tornado. Okay, so it's better to stay at home if the wind is too strong Okay, so children, I just show you here strong wind Don't go out play this is very dangerous Okay, so this is today homework. We have pages three worksheets okay. You can write the day, Thursday. Today is Thursday. And you can write the date. Second of okay, yes. 2nd of September of 2021.
Friday.
今天是 Thursday. Today is Thursday.
我
Okay.
说明天是不是 Friday 哦？
Okay. Tomorrow is Friday. Okay. So children, let's see. You can write the date. You can write the date. And then what weather would it be? Draw and circle the suitable answer. Color the picture. So children, what did you see here? 你们看到什么？ what did you see here? 看到什么啊？ Can you see the is it a cat or rabbit? What is that? What is that? Ready? This is the frogs. Look at the frogs. What are they doing? 他们在做什么？他们在游泳啊。They are relaxed. They are singing. 你看到他们在唱歌啊。Okay. Have you ever heard the frog singing on like that? When the frog singing, that means it's the rainy days is coming 当你听到那个 frog 在唱歌的时候 so what we need to draw? Oh, look at the sun. Why the sun looks so sad? 为什么 Why the sun looks so sad? Because it's cloudy day. Okay, it's cloudy day. So you see the sun is covered by the clouds. Okay. Look at the cloudy day. Okay, 很多云的时候那个阴天的时候 Okay, so this frog will singing because it's wants to rain. So children, what day is this? Children, what weather is this? Is it a sunny day, cloudy day, or rainy day? It's sunny, cloudy, or rainy?
Cloudy.
Cloudy, yes. And we need to circle cloudy. Okay, so you need to color these pictures, Okay, color these pictures, draw the clouds, and color the pictures. Okay, so next. Okay, then you also need to write your name. Write your name, children. Please write on your names and the date, 2nd of September of 2021. Okay, and what weather will it be? Draw and circle the suitable answer and color the pictures. Okay, so wow, look at these children. What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? Are they dancing? Are they dancing? 他们在跳舞吗？他们在玩玩什么？他们在放风筝they're flying the kites. They're flying the kites. So what weather will it be? 怎么看不到呢？看不到吗？ You cannot see Cannot see the screen? Okay. You cannot. Okay, so children, what weather will it be? What you need to draw? Is it a rainy day? Sunny day? Okay. Windy. Okay, actually it's windy. Okay, you need to draw the wind. 你要把那个 wind 画出来You need to draw the wind. The children fly the kites in a windy day. Okay, so this is a rainy, cloudy, or windy. Children, it's rainy, cloudy, or windy. Hello. What weather would it be? Rainy, cloudy, or windy? Children, hurry up. Windy. Yes, it is windy. Okay. Good job. You need to draw it out. You need to draw out the picture. And here, you need to write your names, huh? Children, you need to write your names and the date of today, today's date, and talk about weather. Read and copy the words. Okay. Okay, so children, here, what weather is this? Oh, we have. What is this? This is a moon or star or sun. What is it? Sunny. Okay, this is the sun. Sunny. So you need to copy the words of sunny. Write the words sunny. Copy it over here. And here, this one, this is the wind. Windy. Okay, so you also need to copy the word windy. You write under here. And how about this one? What is this? Rainy. Okay, this is the rainy. The rainy. Then you copy rainy over here. And this is cloudy. Very good. And you write cloudy. Okay, so this is today's homework. You need to copy these words. Okay. 你把它抄下来就可以了哦。This is the weather. Sunny. Children always say sunny. Always say sunny. Windy. Rainy. Cloudy. Yes. Okay. So this is the weather. Say weather. Weather. Yes, weather. Which weather is your favorite? Your favorite weather? Which one is your favorite weather? You like sunny, windy, rainy, or cloudy? Sunny. Oh, you like sunny. Okay. Sunny day. Children. So for today. Thank you, children.
Thank you,
Bye, children.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye. Bye. Love you. Children, drink more water. Always drink more water. 喝一点水. Okay, drink more water. Bye. Bye. 铁冰箱. Bye. 曾伟. Bye. Kim. Bye. Penny. And bye. Marcus. Marcus cannot see you. Bye. Penny. Penny 中文已经累了呀。